Alright, I'm going to show you how to take a wheel bearing off without a press. I already did this one, and then I thought about I should have recorded it. So, on this one, you had the shield. So what you can do is find a good place in between, like the frame, like up here. Kind of depends on the car. And then what you do is you take a piece of pipe or anything, and you come to the wheel bearing itself. You kind of jam it in there, get in there, slowly tighten it, make sure it's going to stay in place, it's not going to fall out. Hold the steering wheel, start the vehicle, and actually use the power steering pump force to pop it off. The other way you can do it on Jeeps, back here you have like the CV axle tubing, the axle tube being a straight axle. What you can do is you take your bolts off, leave one of them in there about halfway. What you'll do is you'll take a socket that's bigger, and what you'll do is slide it over the socket or that bolt, and then as you turn it, it does the same thing, but it pushes on that bolt. So far, I've never had one like separate from here to here, but depending on how bad the wheel bearing is, you may have that issue. So just remember, use a piece of pipe, a breaker bar, anything like that. Same thing with brake rotors that are stuck on. You can do the same thing. Your brake rotor sitting here, put it from somewhere on the frame, somewhere hard, like on this one, right here where the lower control arm meets up with the frame. It fit in that slot right there, and then come out, and it helps hold it. On this one, there's not a whole lot on this Nissan places, but that's the best way, especially with this guard on. You can't really get on the front side of it. So the best way to do it is on the back side. But I will make a video whenever I go to do another Jeep to show you that style. I really wish I would have recorded this, but essentially that's what you do. Take it, stick it here, and then turn it till it meets up with the back of your hub assembly right here. So you want it like that, and then you go back right there inside the sleeve or against the frame, wherever you can. It doesn't always have to. It won't always be on the rear. Sometimes you may have to do it on the front side of the lower control arm. So what you'll do is just meet it up with that, get in there, hold pressure, make sure that your bar is going to stay put as you hold it, and then start it up, and then slowly turn the steering wheel, and it'll pop free. So like always, hit the like, hit the subscribe button. Till next time, see you later.